What up, YouTube? We back out here sliding the next day. Early as shit, cold. Still got the detailing shit with us. We about to, I ain't doing no cars. I'll probably do some cars later when I get some work done. But for right now, I'm about to use these utensils to clean this new harness for the bike and a few other parts that's super dirty. Just so the fact that now everything is powder coated and clean, we're not putting dirty fingerprints and everything back onto the bike with everything else like powder coated. So that helped me out with everything, and on top of that, everything else gonna be powder coated and clean, so we only gonna add to it and get it more and more wet. None of that dirty, filthy stuff, so we want to keep it going. And besides that, we about to get this powder coat run in. I'm about to go pick some stuff up. I'm about to go drop some off and get it right back today so we can try to assemble as much as possible. There's no rush for the bike, but at the same time, it's like, why not make progress if there's nothing holding you back, you know? So it's like, with that being said, we got to get hands-on and get this thing up and rolling, because the results is only going to make everyone happy. But yeah, man, on another note, I got something else I wanted to announce to y'all. I'm not sure how some people will take it. Some people might feel some type of way, some don't. I kind of really don't care, because it's my time, and I choose my time to be money and worth my time. So with that being said, I'm going to post things on YouTube, so like I'm gonna give y'all a glimpse of a lot of stuff like Ashton's bike. We're gonna have that on there with everything else and the whole shebang, and I'm gonna give y'all some views. But for people who want to see particular things, taking the motor off, putting the motor on, swapping some clutches, or doing this, doing that, I'm gonna have my OnlyFans account already activated. It's gonna be up and running within like the next well, it's already up and running now. I'm gonna have some videos probably posted on there today, but it's starting at $30 a month subscriptions, and it's bundle deals. You can do 6 months, 3 months, 12 months. But with that being said, it's not on there just to give you guys the same thing I'm giving out on Instagram or even like YouTube. It's to give a little more insight for the people who want to see a lot more stuff in depth. And you can, I'm doing it by special requests. So if you want to see something, you could honestly let me know. I'm gonna do that video. Or even if you've never seen something done before, or you kind of need help with what you're doing right now, you need some advice. Because I know I have bikes around me and a lot of work, and I have a lot more coming. So every day I'm producing some work that I know somebody want to learn and see something from, and you can easily be watching and doing it step by step right along with me at $30 a month. So let's tap in and check that out for the people who don't know and want some knowledge on their bike. And for people who think like, oh, it's not beneficial, and how is it going to help me? Well, it's going to be different than you watching me on Instagram, seeing what I'm choosing to put out there versus something I'm allowing you to learn from, and something you could take from with your own bike that you're doing every day. It's just little stuff every day you can learn. I learn from being around people. That's why I take a lot of things people and run off with it. Not like that, but like that. You got to learn and know how to take things and move forward with it, and not know information and knowledge and not use it. So with that being said, I'm gonna start my OnlyFans account today. I already got it going. People who want to learn anything new about doing something, tap in with me. Let me know. Give me a special request. I'll try to fulfill your needs with that, and we're gonna go with that. I'm gonna be doing it with everything, from me doing it with cleaning shoes, customizing shoes. People who want to learn about that. Even some of the car detailing products I use. Some people want to ask me like, how do you use it? How do you do that? I'm doing everything. So any question you got with anything that you see me doing on YouTube that I'm putting out, don't feel bad or don't hold back from asking, because I'm doing everything and I'm doing it while I'm here. You got to use this knowledge and put it to work. So stay tuned for that, y'all. But on another note, we're about to get to this powder coat shop and get to the shop and get this day going. So let's get it. So we out here back in the shop. We're about to get this day going. We got a lot to do. So I gotta assemble this joint still down. I'm waiting on my boy to give me the go, because he got in a bad accident. So he's waiting on insurance to make sure they got all their pictures before I disassemble everything. But man, I love this dude paint. I wish I gotta like lift this up to get some more light in here for y'all to get a glimpse of it. But it's real nice, man. He got me motivated to finish painting my own and doing my own little painting thing, you know? So I'm gonna try to get that going with my bike, take that little motivation. So just like that, it looks so much better. Got everything kind of cleaned up, look a lot much better. So I have to hurry and eat my food real quick, so I feel way better. Got everything cleaned up and organized. That's some stuff I'm gonna try to assemble right now. I'm about to bust this down right here, take the motor pieces off, take out the powder coat. I got the harness and the shocks off right here, so I can power wash that with my detailing stuff on the truck. So we're gonna get to that. Just move this thing into place. We're about to bust it down. right, so stay tuned. Take these up there and go get these other parts. So stay tuned for that. So we're back at the shop. We just pulled back up. We got our good box of powder coat. We're about to open this up and check all the goodies out. As you can see, we got a little bit of sneak previews. But yeah, we're about to get in tune with that. And as y'all can see, we done dropped some pieces to the motor off. Not fully, but we took some so we can get that on the road. As we make progress on the frame and complete that, we're gonna have the motor coming back at the same time. Then we're gonna take the other batch of the other color. I don't know if he announced it. I'm not gonna announce it. I'm gonna wait till we do it. So we're gonna wait on that. But like I said, we about to pop that other side off with the rest of these parts and swap them out and keep it going and finish throwing all this flavor up on this frame, as you can see. You know what? Let's just open some of this. Woo! Hold on, man. Hold on. Let me take this to the sun for y'all, man. I don't know if y'all feeling this yet, man. Y'all gotta get a real good look. Look at that hit in the sun. God damn. Yeah, man, it's about to be a real good look, my guy. You know, you got the candy blue, we got the candy red. You choose if you blue or red, you know. Let me know. But yeah, we about to assemble this joint, man. So stay tuned. Y'all about to get it going. we didn't put the parts on this joint, man. It's not complete on there. We just mocking up some parts to get an image of what the bike is going to look like. Still gotta take it off, grease that, and we'll throw some Loctite on everything. But you see how that blue is hidden with that light color, man. It's looking good, dude. We're gonna peel this off so we can have the numbers and everything showing. But as you can see, it's looking good, man. So yeah, we coming together, man. Gotta get some better light. Man, we just came and hurried up and rushed to the bank. I had a 1 o'clock or 12:45 appointment to open my business account, so I could just get all my stuff aligned with everything I got going on. From depositing money, I want everything on track and making sense for everything at the end of the year. And then on top of that, it's like I'm not at a real shop that I want. Where I appreciate being. I used to be in the rain, so now I'm trying to elevate. So now I'm trying to get things going, get a business loan, elevate my business, my craft, my material, my tools, everything I'm dealing with, and elevate and keep going. So you got to have the paperwork done at the end of the day. So it felt amazing to finally get this done before the year is over, like I've been trying to do, man. So about to get back to this money, head back to the shop, and get the day going, man. But yeah, we rolling. Man, we back at the shop. Me and my dog had to get a haircut, man. We out here looking so much better. Huh, Ace? Yeah, man, we was looking homeless, but back in the shop, we're trying to get it right. Get some stuff right up in here real quick before I head out.